looks like how an ecstatic dance class starts.
And also being on the asphalt.
I ended up in a really interesting group play at a cooking workshop last year.
Oh, you told me about it.
Went to like learn about strawberries, and the next thing everyone's licking each other. It's wild.
Totally nice.
No, not at all. Hello, I love your fit, queen. So we're just riding right now too. The bike's off. Oh, this is one of the art cars. Here, I want to show you Woogie right quick. And then we'll come back. Fucking electric. This is what. God, this was so far away without the bicycle. Here, let's set the bike.